Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I hope you have done all the exercise part of the previous chapter. So let's move into the new chapter, that is chapter 4, describing words. Let's talk about that what is describing words. The words that describe the qualities of something are called describing words or adjectives. We use describing words before the naming words. So basically it is saying that the words which describe the qualities of something, that is known as the describing words or adjectives. And basically we use a describing word before the naming word. Okay. So let's see them in the example also. First one you can see, this is a beautiful red rose. So a red rose. What is the color of the rose? That is red. Okay, so that means the red color is describing about the rose. Okay, so red is the describing word, that means the adjective, and rose is the naming word, that means it comes in the category of flowers and it is a noun. Okay, next is a fat boy. Fat describes about the boy, that how is the boy? He is fat. Okay, so fat is the describing word and or adjective, and boy is the naming word. Next one is a beautiful girl. How is that girl? She is beautiful. So beautiful is describing word and girl is the naming word. Next one is an old lady. How is that lady? She is old. So old is the describing or adjective and lady is the naming word. Now next one. Next is hot tea. So tea is hot. Hot is the describing one, tea is the naming one. Okay. Next is cold ice cream. Cold ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Cold is describing, ice cream is the naming one. Okay, next is a brown cat. What is the color of the cat? That is brown. Brown is describing or adjective word and cat is the naming word. Next one is a green leaf. Green is a describing word and leaf is the naming word. Now let's talk about examples of adjectives. First one, India is a big country. India is a big country. So big is what? Big is a describing or adjective. Okay, and country is what? Country is naming one. Next is Mary is a kind girl. Mary is a naming word. Kind is a describing word. Girl is also naming word. Okay, next one is John is a brave boy. John is a naming word. Brave is describing. Boy is also naming word. Next one, I have a black cat. Black is the describing one. That is adjective. Cat is the naming word. Next one, a car has 4 wheels. Car is naming word, 4 is describing word and wheels are what? Wheels are also comes under the category of naming word. Okay. I hope student that you understood this adjective words. Now let's do some exercise part. First question is, take the correct option and fill it in the blanks. First one, the giraffe is a dash animal. Is it long, tall or short? The giraffe is a tall animal. Okay. So you have to tick in the word tall. Next one, there are dash days in a week. How many days are there in a week? Is it 4, 5 or 7? There are 7 days in a week. So you have to tick 7. Next one, we should eat fresh and dash vegetables. Sweet, green or sour? We should eat fresh and green vegetables. So take green. Next one, the rat is a dash animal. Big, long, small. The rat is a small animal. So take small. Now the next question is, write a suitable describing word in each blank. One is done for you. One is already done for you. First one, a big elephant. How is it elephant? Big. Okay, so big is a describing word. Next one, a dash whale. A blue whale. What is the color of the whale? Blue. Next one, a dash snake. A long snake. Okay. Next one, a dash day. A rainy day. Next, a dash ocean. A huge ocean. Okay. Next one, a dash lemon. A sour lemon. Okay. Now the next is circle the describing words. So here you have to circle the describing words. Like first I am doing for you as an example. The rabbit is a small animal. So how is that rabbit? He is a small animal. Okay. So you have to circle small. Next it is saying, but it has long ears. So how is that ears? Long. Okay, so you have to circle the Long word, it has a short fluffy tail. How is the tail? Fluffy. Okay, short and fluffy. So you have to circle fluffy. And white fur on the body. What is the color of the fur? White. You have to circle white. It loves to eat juicy carrots. How is the carrots? Juicy. So you have to circle juicy. And green leaves. You have to circle green because it is describing leaves. It is a playful animal. So what type of animal it is? Playful. So you have to circle playful. When a rabbit hears a loud sound, how is the sound? Loud. You have to circle loud, which is a describing word. It hides in a deep burrow. How is that burrow? Deep. So you have to circle deep also. Okay. Now the next question is, match the following words, then write sentences by using the match words. One is done for you. For example, sky blue. So you have to write a sentence like, the sky is blue. Okay. Next, I'm going to match tomatoes. Tomatoes are red in color. Okay. So match tomatoes with red. And you're going to write the tomatoes are red. Okay, or you can also write the tomato is red. The tomatoes are red or the tomato is red. Okay, next one is shoes. Shoes black. Okay, the shoes are black. Next, mangoes. Mangoes are sweet. Next one, hair. My hair is curly. Okay, next one, pool. The pool is deep. Okay. Like this, you have to first match it, then you have to convert it in a sentence. Okay. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks with these describing words. For example, the sun is very dash. The sun is very hot. Next one, she is an dash lady. As you can see in the figure also, she is an old lady. Okay, next is, this is a dash crow. This is a black crow. You have to describe the crow now. So you have to tell the color of the crow. Next is, this is a dash butterfly. This is a beautiful butterfly. Okay. I hope, student, that you understood this chapter, and your homework part is you have to do all the exercise part of this chapter. Now I'm going to meet you in the another class. Till then, bye-bye, students.